Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll video quality. Crunchyroll doesn't allow pick the best quality automatically. Start playing on video, tap or click setting icon on the video player. Now change the quality to 720p or 180p. Wait a few seconds for the video to reload. A lower quality usually means slow internet. If you are Wi-Fi, move closer to the router. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. A strong connection gives you better quality. Close Crunchyroll app completely, open the app again and play the video again and reset the quality one more time. Go to App Store or Play Store and make sure Crunchyroll is fully updated. If you are watching on computer, update your browser too. Older versions can limit video quality. On your phone, check if your data server or low power mode is on. If it is, turn it off. This setting forces Crunchyroll to use lower quality video. If you are using a VPN or ad blocker, turn it off. This can reduce streaming quality and cause blurry video. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.